Aditya Birla Sun Life ESG Fund, a scheme of Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. Over the last many decades, the world around us has evolved at a rapid pace and has made our lives full of ease and comfort. But this in turn has taken a toll on the planet, people and processes. Today, many countries, businesses and communities globally have taken cognizance of the impact of these economic activities on the environment and society at large. Thus, they are now shifting their focus from how profitable a business is to does the business earn the profit in the most sustainable and responsible way. The aim is to have minimal or no adverse environment or social impact with best corporate governance practices. Such companies are called ESG compliant companies. And ESG investing looks beyond the traditional investment parameters to identify high-quality, socially responsible companies for investing with its three important pillars. Moreover, ESG integration in businesses helps to improve operational efficiency, increase long-term sustainability, reduce risk, and enhance investors' return potential. Thus, the institutional investors have become more conscious of how organizations manage and mitigate such issues and are considering ESG factors more than ever. This has led to the growth of ESG investing at a phenomenal pace around the world. However, in India, it is at a nascent stage. And we have also witnessed increased instances of businesses getting impacted due to non-compliance to ESG factors. Globally, companies that have scored better in ESG Trio have proved themselves to be more sustainable and offered better returns to its investors. Historically in India, Nifty 100 ESG TRI, a benchmark for ESG investing, has outperformed Nifty 100 TRI in 7 out of 9 instances, thereby proving its mettle. While there are instances wherein non-compliance to ESG has increased business risk for the company and has impacted investors' returns. Thus, it may be an apt time to move towards sustainable and responsible investing. Presenting Aditya Birla Sun Life ESG Fund, an open-ended equity scheme that employs the ESG theme in investing. The fund will invest in companies that are not only fundamentally strong but also scores high on ESG criteria with enormous growth potential. It will follow market cap agnostic approach with primary focus on the large cap stocks, while the allocation towards foreign stocks is capped at 35% of the portfolio. It will deploy a blend of top-down and bottom-up approach for stock select and will avoid the sectors and stocks that do not fulfill the ESG criteria with the help of sector-level or stock-level screener. Accordingly, the portfolio will be built by focusing only on the ESG-compliant companies with high growth potential. So, make a smart move and switch to sustainable and responsible investing with Aditya Birla Sun Life ESG Fund. NFO opens on December 4th, 2020. NFO closes on December 18th, 2020. For more information, call 1800-270-7000 or visit adityabirlasunlifemf.com or contact your mutual fund distributor today. A scheme of Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund, Aditya Birla Capital. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.